Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are back with very interesting topic, that is budgeting or top-down budgeting or bottom-up budgeting. So we will look at both these factors one by one and what do you mean by this. So I will give you a simple example to relate to both of these budgets. So basically when you are small, at that time you have to ask everything to your parents. So all your decisions were based on what your parents say. Now as you grow old, you have the autonomy or you have the freedom to take your own decisions. So this is nothing but the difference between two types of budgeting. So in top-down budgeting, the top level or the top hierarchy or the board of directors make the decisions and make the strategy, and the bottom level has to follow it. That is nothing but top-down approach. So the strategy or the decisions follow from the top. And in the bottom-up approach, it's nothing but you make your own decisions. You have the freedom. You just have to get it approved or you have to inform the management or the top level. So these are the differences between two types of budgeting or two types of decision making in an organization. So top-down decision making is very essential or very helpful in companies where products are standardized or the workforce is not that skilled which can make their own decisions. In bottom-up approach, if the workforce is skilled and the industry is a creative industry where innovation is necessary in every month or in every quarter. So in this type of industries, this bottom-up approach is very helpful. Why? Because this industries need innovations. In organizations where it is stable, it is not necessary to change the decisions very quickly. So in this type of industries, top-down budgeting is followed and budgeting is done once a year. So, and in bottom-up companies, the operational level or the junior execs also have a freedom to choose their own decisions and make the decisions accordingly. There are nothing but two differences between these two types of budgeting. So in creative industries like Netflix, all of these companies use the bottom-up approach or the approach which gives the top or the middle level also some freedom. So these were the two types which companies follow in recent years. Thank you so much.